Bigyan natin ng reaction, opinion ngayon itong post ng Philippine Star 1 hour ago. Tungkol ito sa rally ng Iglesia ni Cristo laban sa korupsyon. The Iglesia ni Cristo will hold a 3-day rally in Rizal Park in Manila and at the People Power Monument in Quezon City from November 16, 17, and 18, 2025 to call for transparency and accountability in the government. Okay? So, dali ha. Okay, basahin natin itong article na publish sa GMA News Online. The activity, One News Online. The activity will be a peaceful and orderly public assembly intended to promote transparency and accountability in governance and society. Yan po ang payag ng Iglesia ni Cristo. A source confirmed to the Philippine Star that Executive Director Cecil Lorenzana Lorenzana Romero of the National Parks Development Committee, which manages Rizal Park, approved the INC's request last Thursday, October 30. Matagal na palang approve ito. Cesar Chavez, Chief of Staff of Manila Mayor Isko Moreno, said they would provide perimeter support for the INC rally. Ito ang statement. While we know that the INC is very organized whenever it holds a rally, the city government of Manila would be deploying teams to monitor and to provide assistance outside the Rizal Park. Sabi ng Manila LGU. The local government would be placing 14 ambulance vehicles around the area. Chavez said that while the INC has been known not to leave garbage behind after the rallies, the city government would still mobilize its Department of Public Service because there might be ambulant vendors outside the rally grounds. Okay. The Manila Police District would also be providing security outside the perimeter area, and traffic enforcers would man the flow of vehicles going during the 3-day event. In a letter to Quezon City Government, the religious group also sought approval and logistical support for what it calls a peaceful rally for transparency. The church expects around 300,000 people to participate in the Quezon City rally daily. The activity will be a peaceful and orderly public assembly. The group assured the city that the activity will remain compliant with all regulations. INC said it is willing to meet with city officials to finalize preparations for the event. Okay, so yun po. Assurance, ito, record na ito. Basta ang INC ang mag-conduct ng rally, napaka-peaceful, napaka-organized at malinis at walang nadadamay. Pati traffic, hindi na no. Ang nakakapagtaka, dito sa comment section, ang daming bumabatikos sa rally. Kaya lang, tinignan ko yung mga nagbabatikos, yung mga negative comments, karamihan trolls. Wala na itong natataranta na po ang mga powers that be. Yung taga Malacanang, dahil kontra korupsyon itong rally na ito. Sila ang naglalagay ng mga troll army nila para siraan ang INC. Ito. Michael Mendoza Canha. Support yan kay Narcoleta at Diskaya. So, Corazon Santos. Sana inubos niyong oras pa pera panahon, itulong niyo na lang sa nasalanta ng bagyo. Kahit papaano may nagawa kayong mabuti sa kapwa. Ito, De La Cruz, Iboos. May Philippine Arena na pag may-ari nyo, doon kayo mag-rally. Panigurado, wala kayo maistorbo doon. Huwag sa lugar na wala kayong maabala. Buwisit. Again, ulitin ko, these are trolls. Errol Moros, kung totoo na 3 sikta yan na magkakasama at sisigaw ng Marcos resign, magkakaalaman na kung saan panig ang mga founder niyan. I don't believe so na sasama dito. Although, ang alam ko, anybody can join. Yun ang usually, ganyan naman eh. Kailang yung KOJC at saka JIL, walang formal na alliance yung tatlo na yan. I believe this is purely an Iglesia ni Cristo activity. Ito, sumagot ang isang member ng Iglesia ni Cristo. Bilang si Rodel Santiago, bilang mamamayan ng Pilipinas, may karapatan din kaming mga INC na gawin ang aming magagawa para ipaglaban ang kapakanan ng bansang Pilipinas at mamamayan nito. At di po ba halos lahat ng magnanakaw sa gobyerno ay, medyo hindi ko nabasahin kasi may inakusahan na isang sekta. Ngayon, ng INC isyang magkakaisa para sugpuin ang talamak na korupsyon, magagalit kayo at tinutulig sa kaming mga INC. Nasaan na po napunta ang utak nyo? Mukhang nalipat, nasa talampakan. Basta, nakakatawa nga eh. Mga trolls, inaatake ang rally ng iglesia. Ibig sabihin, natataranta ang palasyo. So, salamat sa mga kapatiran ng iglesia sa inyong rally. Mas maganda yan, yung ilabas ang sentimento, yung in a peaceful way. Huwag lang katulad ng nangyari sa Nepal, sa Indonesia, may sunugan, may nasasaktan, may nagurgur, namatay. So ito, I can assure, basta INC ang gumalaw, very peaceful, orderly, at walang masyadong naabala.
Pinasabi ng dito, ilo! Ilo pa na sa gilid!